Hello, welcome back again. In part 4 of this lesson, we talked about how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. But this lesson will be the other way around, from improper fraction back to mixed fraction. So to do that, we first divide the numerator by the denominator to find the highest whole number possible, which represents the whole portion. Then we use the remainder in the denominator to create a mixed fraction. So here, we divide 20 by 3, and you realize that there will be 6 wholes, leaving a remainder of 2. So the 6th whole becomes the very whole number that we are looking for, and the remainder now becomes the new numerator over the old denominator. So the answer will be 6 whole 2 over 3. So you find the highest possible whole number you can get when you divide. That becomes the whole number, and the remainder becomes the new numerator over the old denominator. So here 59 divided by 7, the biggest whole number possible is 8. So our whole number now becomes 8 with a remainder of 3. That gives us 3 over 7. Can you do the last one yourself? How many 12s can you get out of 37? Hope you got that. So that would be 3 12s, remainder of 1. So that's 1 over 12. Okay. Now, can you shade 7 over 4? That means shade 7 out of 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see that I've shaded 7 parts. And if I really want to count that and change it, it represents 1 whole and 3/4. So that's 1 full bar and 3/4 of a bar. That is a pictorial explanation of what we did on the side. Because 4 into 7 is only one possible 4. That's the one whole number, leaving 3, which is 3 over 4. Let's look at the second one. We want to shade 5 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you look at it, if you count them in wholes, that's 1, that is 2, so that's 2 whole and a half. Here, let's shade 8 over 3. Okay, now if you want to count them in wholes, we have 2 wholes and 2 over 3. So the answer will be 2 whole, 2 over 3. So this is a pictorial explanation of how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. So this brings us to the end of the first session of fractions, understanding what fractions are all about. In our next lesson, we'll be talking about additions and subtractions of fractions. Look forward to that. Thank you very much for watching, and share with your friends.